Hi guys, this is Tash the Star-Crossed Stitcher, and today is Saturday the 19th of May 2018. Actually it isn't, I'm lying, it's Sunday the 20th, but I couldn't stitch on this yesterday because I was busy making project bags, so I'm just working on two projects today. So this is the Blackbird Needle Case by Margaret Light, and it's gorgeous. I went to a class where she taught this. This is a photograph, obviously. But yeah, there's a lot of amazing detail in this. I love the filling stitches on the hills. I love the details on the flowers. I mean, it's just beautiful. Just look at that beautiful pansy. It's really beautiful. I love it. But when I pulled this out today, I don't know if you can see this, the blue marker here. So I had used a light box and transferred the pattern onto the fabric with my blue water-soluble marker, but the marker is all gone. So I went to the window and tried to trace it, and I couldn't. So because there's no way on earth I'm able to trace out the outline of a dog, which is what I was obviously doing. This is the little Scotty dog here. Yeah, I can definitely not do that freehand. That is not something, there it is. That is not something that I'm able to do. I'm not artistic in that way. And honestly, I was dreading working on this. So I've kind of UFO'd this, sort of temporarily UFO'd it at least until I can get hold of a light box and I feel like tackling some crewel embroidery, because every time I do a crewel embroidery, I love it, it looks pretty, but it's just so hard. Anything that isn't counted is too hard for me. They're the beautiful threads. Oh, they're gorgeous. They're all gumnut buds, which are, I think they're wool silk blend. Beautiful. Yep, the class was by Margaret Light, and I did it through the Cruel Goblin, which is a store in Sydney. So, since I UFO'd this, I had a new start. I started this. Permin of Copenhagen. Just this tiny little design. These designs don't have names or anything, just numbers. So there's the number, if anyone wants it. 142365. So sweet. This is the third one in this series I think I've done. The colours are nice, aren't they? And I finished it. These do not take long. This took me about 4 hours of stitching. Look at the little, is it a cat or a dog? I think it's a cat. So sweet, isn't it? Yeah, so there we go. That's what I worked on today. Well, that's what I worked on today for yesterday's whip. Now I have to get out today's whip. Alright guys, I will see you in a couple of hours with my progress on today's whip. Bye bye!